In this episode, I would like to introduce you to one of the most effective and the most powerful herbal plant you can use to, boost your memory. So if you have a child whose academic performance is not good, always he comes last or he or she comes last, please, this video is for you. Kindly watch it all the way to the end. The same way, if you know someone who have been battling with dementia or memory loss, you can forward this video to the person, because what I'm about to introduce to you is definitely going to help the person. Just follow me and let me give you the introduction. Yes, today the sun is scorching here on our part of the world, and because of that, I have no option than to protect my eyes. So I'm wearing the shade. So come, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to like it. You people are not liking my videos. Like the video and subscribe, and then leave your comment in the comment area. You see this plant? You see this plant? Yes, this plant. It is called Lantana camara plant. Botanically, it is called Lantana camara plant. Here in Ghana, we call it Anansi Dokuno. Anansi Dokuno. If you know anyone who is struggling with memory loss, or you have a child who is not performing well in school or in class, I would like you to, start giving the child or the person this. Now, I will teach you how to prepare it. How to prepare it is very simple, but before then, let me first of all give you a physical description of the plant, because many people complain that they don't see the plant very well, they can't recognize it, they can't find it. Meanwhile, the plant grows virtually everywhere here in Africa and in some part of the world, but just that people don't know its description. So come and give it a very short, close, description. We can start from the flowers. Check the flowers. Check the flowers. It has this multicolored, flowers you can see. And then another unique feature of this plant is the thorns. It has this sharp thorns. Check it out. You see, it has this sharp thorns, which if you are not careful, it might even hurt you. And then when it grows, it normally produces a certain berries. A certain berries. I don't know. You see, it produces these berries. Let me see. Check this one. Okay. You see, it produces this. Ooh, wow. Check the berries. Yes, I'm doing this all because of you. So why are you not subscribing it? They say we should plead to you. So I am begging, subscribe to the channel. And if you have watched the video to this far, thank you very much. Kudos. May God richly bless you and grant you whatever you need in life. Amen. So this is it. So it has this, berries, and then it has these sharp thorns, and it also has this, multicolored flowers. You can use these three features to identify it. So please don't come to my DM and tell me that you didn't see it well. So that is that. Now to the process, or to the preparation. You have two methods of preparing it. I'll give you all the two. The first method is that when you harvest it, and when you are harvesting it too, please don't harvest only the leaves. People normally will harvest only the leaves. No, I want you to harvest it together with the stick itself, like this. So eventually you have gotten the flowers, you get the berries, you get the leaves, and then you finally get the stems as well. So this is how you harvest it. So harvest it, in a very large quantity. If you are lucky to have it in like this, you harvest it very well. You can use gloves, you can use hand gloves to harvest it, because if you use your bare hands to harvest it, it might eventually, hurt you. So take note of that. Having harvested plenty of the leaves, transfer everything into your house, and then wash them very nicely. Wash them thoroughly, because obviously this plant grows, outside along the street, so there are so many dirt and dust on it. So you wash it very, very thoroughly. After washing it thoroughly, you can then decide to dry them up. When you dry them for some days and it becomes well dried up, what you do is that you pound them into a powder form. After pounding it into a powder form, method number one, you can pick 1 tablespoonful of the powder, transfer it into your cup, and then you pour onto it about 4 to 500 to 600 ml of a very, very hot water. When I say hot water, I don't mean warm water. Hot mean boiled water. Infuse it on it and allow it to infuse for like 1 hour. After 1 hour, your tea or decoction is ready. You just drain it and then you start drinking it. You can divide this tea into two. Drink part in the morning, part in the evening. Okay, if you are giving it to children below 18 years, you give the person, you infuse 1 teaspoon full of the water, of the powder, into about 600 into about 400 ml of water. After it has been well infused, after 1 hour, you drain it, divide it into two, give the child one part in the morning, give him or her another part in the evening. That is method number one. Method number two, having gotten the dried powder, you can transfer the dried powder into your cooking pot. Here you call it cocoa. You transfer it into it and then you put it on fire. Don't add any water to it. Just put it on fire, raw fire, and allow the fire to burn it. The fire will eventually burn it into a very black powder. Here we call it moto. Having gotten the black powder, you can start give it to the child. 1 teaspoonful of the powder mixed with one half glass of water, warm water, and then drink it in the morning. In the evening too, you repeat the same thing. Or if you have 100% pure honey, about 1 liter of 100% pure honey, organic honey, you mix about 5 tablespoonful of the powder inside that 1 liter of pure honey, and then you keep it. In the morning when the child is going to school, you dilute about 1 tablespoonful of the honey into a half glass of warm water and give the child to drink it. Do it in the morning and then in the evening continuously for not less than 3 months. And I can assure you that your child's performance in school will now come up high and everything is going to be okay. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want more of this content, and do not forget to like this video. You people are not liking the video. Please, please, I beg of you, just subscribe to the channel and like this video for me. Please, please. Okay, please look at the scorching sun I am standing in, still giving you content back to back. Please, you can do well to what? To help me by subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Leave your comment in the comment area and everything will be okay. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Have a nice day.